children and Mr. Duenas. Well, I'm gonna teach standard 2, so let's go to problem number 1. Okay, problem number 1 is 2.7 minus 3.2 squared. So first, this is where PEMDAS comes in. So first you do the exponents, which equals 4, because 2 squared equals 4. Then you bring everything else down, and you go down to multiplication. So 2 times 7 will equal 14 minus 3 times 4, which equals 12. And then you do the last thing, which is subtraction, and then 14 minus 12 equals 2. And that's number 1. For number 2, we're gonna do, we have to evaluate 0.3y plus y squared, and y equals 3. So what you do is you plug in y, 3 to every y that you see, which makes 0.3 times 3 plus 3 squared. 3 squared equals 9, and 0.3 times 3, 0.9, so 0.9. Then 0.9 plus 9 equals 9.9, and that's your answer. Okay, problem number 3 is what is the reciprocal of 35x negative 4? Now every time that you see a negative as a reciprocal, you're supposed to make it into a fraction, a positive fraction. So you do the inverse of the negative, which equals positive, and you do the inverse of 4, which equals 1/4. So then it just makes it 1/4, and then 35. No, I'm lying. Okay. Okay, so this equals x 1/4, and then this is 35. And then from there, the 35 goes on top of here, and then the x4 comes down here. Okay. For number 4, number 4 is to write down the fraction of 0.875. Since this counts as one step, I guess. So this counts as the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So what you're gonna do, since it's in thousands, you're gonna put 875 over 1,000. This reduces down to 175 over 200, which reduces down to 7/8, and that's your answer. Finally, number 5 is negative 3 over 7 times 7 over 4. Now here you can cancel out 7 from both sides because 7 and 7 will be the same. So both 7's cancel out, and you're left with negative 3 over 4. And that's standard 2.